How to recover Snapchat streak without paying. So if you want to recover Snapchat streak without paying, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, you just need to simply go with your chats, which is on the bottom left. Now you need to consider a few points. So you can't recover your Snap streaks regularly. You can't do it regularly. And if you've lost multiple streaks, this method will only work with not more than 4 to 5 contacts. And there's a specific time window of 24 hours within which you can recover your streaks. So if you have any restore option on the right side of your streak, for example, which is right here, if you have the restore option, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to it for a few seconds on the restore, or just simply tap on the restore. Once you tap on it, here you will have 4 to 5 restores per month. So if you've already used it, then you won't be able to have the restores for the next 30 days. So here it says that I can restore this streak for the next 163 hours. After that, I can't restore. So I've already used my 4 to 5 restores or recovers. That's why I don't have any options right here. But if you've not used your restores, then you can simply use your restores for 4 contacts. I mean 4 to 5 contacts for now, but not more than that. If you want to recover more than 4 to 5 contacts streaks, then you need to have the premium version of Snapchat. So that's how you can recover your Snapchat streak without paying. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.